This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Malay Coconut Meat Patties. This is a really easy recipe to make. The key here is to use grated coconut. So for this recipe, we will need minced beef, grated coconut. If you cannot find grated coconut, use the dry desiccated coconut. Garlic cloves, ginger, and 1 egg. For the spices, I have here some ground black pepper, coriander powder, cumin powder, and salt. The amount to use for each ingredient will magically appear in the description box below when you hit the like, subscribe, and notification button. Prepare the beef by first adding the coconut into the beef. Knead the beef for a few minutes till it becomes a little pasty. This will make the meat tighter and more solid, and this will help the beef hold together when we are frying it. Next, mix in the rest of the ingredients. That's the minced garlic, the minced ginger, pepper, coriander, cumin, salt, and the egg. Mix all this up and combine them well. Next, roll the meat up into balls. You can make them big or you can make them small. To stir fry, heat up a pan over medium heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, add in the meatballs. Then, flatten it with the back of your spatula. Try to flatten the meatballs into about 1 cm thick patties. Fry the patties for about 2 to 3 minutes till the bottom side is golden brown. Then, flip them over and fry the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes, or till they're cooked through. Once they are cooked through, we are done. This is Malay Coconut Meat Patties.